Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short-form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Segal Sea Trade.
On December 4th, the Asia-Pacific Panamax freight rates rose. The Asia-Pacific Supramax freight rates hiked. The Pacific Capesize freight rates edged higher. The Pacific Handysize market freight rates trended lower.
Baltic Index gains hits a 1.5-year high on strong vessel demand. The Baltic Exchange Dry Bulk Sea Freight Index rose for the 8th consecutive session on Monday, hitting a 1.5-year high as rates climbed across vessel segments. The overall index, which factors in rates for Capesize, Panamax and Supramax shipping vessels, was up 154 points or 4.8% at 3,346. The main index more than doubled in November to hit a 1.5-year high. Adani International Container Terminal becomes first terminal to handle over 3 lakh containers in a month. Adani International Container Terminal created a national record by handling 300,431 TEUs across 97 vessels in November 2023, breaking its own record of 298,634 TEUs in March 2021. The joint venture Adani Port and SCZ in Mundra Adani International Container Terminal Private Limited has become the first terminal in India to handle 300,000 containers in a month in November. Before we move on to the rest of the news updates, I would like to inform you that the 10th India Tanker Shipping and Trade Summit is being organized on 9th of February 2024 in Mumbai, and the venue will have limited seating capacity. So we request you to reserve your seat as soon as possible. Registrations will be done on a first-come, first-served basis. Asia Fuel Oil HSFO extends gains, trading flurry continues. Asia's 380 CST high sulfur fuel oil market firmed on Monday as strong trading momentum persisted. A flurry of trades emerged on the day as with last Friday. The main sellers were Trafigura and Shell, while PetroChina and Rex Commodities were the main buyers. Singapore's 380 CST HSFO cash differential rose to a premium of $3.84 a metric ton, with stronger premiums traded for end December to early January. Meanwhile, 0.5% very low sulfur fuel oil eased slightly, with cash premiums sliding to $14.25 a metric ton. Market backwardation eased across all the key fuel oil grades. India resumes imports of Venezuelan oil. Reliance seeks direct deal. Indian refiners have resumed Venezuelan oil purchases through intermediaries, with Reliance set to meet executives from Strait firm PDVSA next week to discuss direct sales following the easing of US sanctions on the South American country, people familiar with the matter said. The resumption in trade between the OPEC producer and what was the second largest destination for its oil comes after Washington in October temporarily lifted sanctions banning Venezuelan oil exports, prompting a flurry of spot sales of crude and fuel through middlemen and traders, mostly to China. But Venezuela's oil output has been volatile, limiting what it can offer for export. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.